Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 1, directions from term 3. Children, directions को हिंदी में कहा जाता है दिशाएं. आज हम directions के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay? Before we start the lesson, look here, children. Starter kit. Look at this picture of Lucy. What is in her right hand? What is in her right hand? There is an apple in her right hand. What is in her left hand? What is in her left hand? There is a doll in her left hand. What is in her front? What is in her front? लूसी के फ्रंट में, लूसी के सामने क्या है? There is a cat in front of Lucy. What is at her back? What is at her back? Children, tell me, what is at her back? There is a dog at the back side of Lucy. उसके बैक में क्या है? उसके पीछे साइड में क्या है? डॉग है. राइट, लेफ्ट, फ्रंट, बैक. ओके, now let's start the lesson. Look, the sun is rising. The sun always rises in the east. It rises in the morning. It sets in the evening. It always sets in the west. The sun is rising. Children, rising, राइज वर्ड से बना हुआ है राइजिंग. राइज का मतलब होता है टू मूव अपवर्ड, उगना या उदय होना. जब सूर्य उदय होता है उसके लिए वर्ड यूज होता है राइज, RISE, राइज. ओके. द सन ऑलवेज राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. The sun always rises in the east. Rises means to move upward, सूर्योदय होना. तो सूर्योदय किस डायरेक्शन में होता है? ईस्ट में. The sun always rises in the east. It rises in the morning. It rises in the morning. Children, tell me, when does the sun rise? The sun rises in the morning. It sets in the evening. Children, tell me, when does the sun set? When does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening. Sets means the time when the sun goes down in the evening. Sets means the time when the sun goes down in the evening. It always sets in the west. सूर्य कौन सी डायरेक्शन में डूबता है? वेस्ट में. ओके. ईस्ट में राइज होता है, ईस्ट में सूर्योदय होता है और वेस्ट में सूर्य डूबता है. ओके चिल्ड्रन. द अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट इज वेस्ट. द अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट इज वेस्ट. लुक हियर चिल्ड्रन, दिस डायरेक्शन इज ईस्ट एंड अपोजिट ऑफ ईस्ट इज वेस्ट. ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट आर अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस. वो एक दूसरे के अपोजिट डायरेक्शंस है. ओके. नाउ लुक हियर, द अपोजिट ऑफ द नॉर्थ इज साउथ. द अपोजिट ऑफ नॉर्थ इज साउथ. ओके. द अपोजिट ऑफ नॉर्थ इज साउथ. दिस इज north direction, and opposite of the north is south. East, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. Look here, children. East, west, north, south. There are 4 directions. How many directions are there? There are 4 directions. East, west, north, and south. Do you know how to find these directions? क्या आपको पता है कि डायरेक्शंस कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, कैसे पहचानेंगे कि कौन सा डायरेक्शन ईस्ट है, कौन सा वेस्ट है? दिस इज वेरी इजी. Look at the rising sun. Look at the rising sun. Stand with your face to it. जब सूर्य उदय होता है उस डायरेक्शन की तरफ फेस करके खड़े होना है. ओके. To your left. To your left. It is north. To your left, it is north. To your right, it is south. It is south. To your right, it is south. Okay, children? To your left, it is north. To your right, it is south. To the side of the sun, it is east. To the side of the sun, it is east. And to the opposite of the sun, to the opposite side, it is west. Opposite side, it is west. Okay. To the side of the sun, it is east. To the opposite side, it is west. North, south, east, west. Okay, children? North, south, east, west. In the morning, the sun is in the east. In the morning, the sun is in the east. In the evening, it is in the west. In the evening, it is in the west. सूर्य सुबह के टाइम में सुबह इस डायरेक्शन में होता है और शाम को वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में होता है. ओके. It moves from east to west. But do you know the sun does not move? It is the earth that moves. It goes round and round. It goes round itself. It goes round the sun also. But we don't feel this moment. But we don't feel this moment. हम मोमेंट को फील नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्यों? It is because the earth is so big. The sun is much bigger. But it looks so small. जो सूर्य है वो बहुत बड़ा है लेकिन हमें छोटा दिखाई देता है. क्यों? It is because it is very very far away from us. क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत दूर है इसलिए वो साइज में छोटा दिखाई देता है. Okay, children? Read the lesson carefully. Okay, thank you.